What should procurement teams verify before choosing multi-material carbon and sulfur testing supplier selection criteria for industrial laboratories? The answer is not just speed. Buyers need to check whether the solution fits real production targets, delivers stable data, and reduces downstream risk for quality control, maintenance, and supplier coordination. This walkthrough focuses on the practical evidence a buyer should request before moving forward with a purchase decision. A 4-material fit matrix compares steel, alloys, cement, and ores across 5 supplier selection criteria for industrial labs. How to choose a carbon-sulfur analyzer for steel, alloys, cement, and ores. Industrial laboratories often test more than one material family. A lab may measure carbon and sulfur in steel on one shift, cast iron on the next, and cement, ores, or alloy samples later in the week. This mixed workload changes the buying decision. A carbon-sulfur analyzer that performs well for one material type may still create calibration, combustion, cleaning, or repeatability problems when the sample mix becomes broader. Supplier selection for multi-material carbon and sulfur testing should therefore focus on application fit. Buyers need evidence that the analyzer can handle the expected materials, that the supplier understands method differences, and that service support can solve practical laboratory problems. This article outlines criteria for industrial laboratories testing steel, alloys, cement, ores, and related inorganic materials. Why multi-material testing changes analyzer selection. 2.1 Different sample types create different demands. Steel, alloys, cement, and ores differ in composition, combustion behavior, sample preparation, and expected concentration range. Metal samples may require different preparation from powdered inorganic materials. Some samples may produce dust, residues, or matrix effects that influence cleaning and repeatability. 1.1 Why catalog material lists need verification. Many product pages list broad material coverage. That information is useful, but it should be verified with the laboratory's own sample types. A supplier that states coverage for steel, iron, alloys, cement, and ores should be able to explain preparation methods, calibration strategy, and expected limitations for each group. 2.1 Instrument. Several workflows. The same analyzer may be used differently across materials. Steel QC may emphasize speed and batch release. Cement testing may emphasize method consistency and sample preparation. Or testing may require attention to matrix variation. Procurement teams should map workflows before comparing models. 3. Application support becomes more important when a laboratory tests multiple materials. Supplier expertise becomes part of instrument performance. A strong buying decision depends on more than a good brochure. Teams should compare measurement range, repeatability, calibration method, sample preparation requirements, maintenance support, and evidence from real plant use. When those checks are completed before purchase, the business can reduce retesting, avoid production delays, and choose equipment with more confidence.